So, what are you gonna do with the rum?
Just gonna make banana infused rum. That is simple. Rum into container. You can just like let it soak, but I don't feel like waiting 6 hours.
But if you did wait 6 hours, you're using the whole thing. Okay.
Yep.
If you did do it for 6 hours.
You just have to chop up the banana and just like let it sit, but I'm gonna blend it and then let it sit. So it just kind of like force infuses it. Or you can stick everything in like an ISI container and like charge it with like the carbon dioxide canisters and do it that way. It
wow.
just depends, but just basically like mixing it together and just letting it sit is the idea. And I might put a little bit of mint in there too. Because why not?
That sounds good. I should go get the mint. It's in the other fridge.
I have some dried mint right there.
Sweet. I don't think I've ever had banana rum before. I've had a rum cake, but I've never had banana infused rum, and that sounds so good.
Yeah, what's actually funny is 3-star rum from Plantation, Mantaray, excuse me, is actually like the tasting notes are tropical fruits with like notes, like heavy notes of banana. So it's like, oh, it's easier to take with the template that you're already working with, right? If you know like what's kind of already in the spirit or whatever you're mixing with, like an infusion or this and that, like you already have like a template and you can really like accentuate flavors and things. We gonna make something tropical.
It's really interesting that you chop up the banana, because for me, I would just peel the banana and throw the whole thing in there because it's gonna get blended anyway, so.
It's a habit. It's literally just a habit.
So how long are you going to let it sit for?
Till we get back later, which is going to be like, over 6 hours, but it'll taste a lot better.
And then you're just going to drink it straight like that? Or
No, we're going to make a cocktail with it. Kind of something like a pina colada, but...
The coconut cream?
A little different. It'd be like coconut cream, cherry, pineapple, lime... Maybe some cinnamon in there.
Maybe vanilla extract.
Maybe a little bit of vanilla in there. That sounds pretty good. And maybe some kiwi. We'll see what the flavor turns up as we keep going with everything.
We have lots of fruits. We gotta do something with that watermelon, so that'll be a whole new thing.
That's gonna be real good in a while.
Let me smell.
I think it just smells like straight booze right now.
Oh, God, you didn't even react.
I've done this so many times. God, I didn't have a reaction. It's like, babe, I did this for like 15 years. Like, that's not even the strongest, like, thing I've ever smelled. Don't whiff, like, 151. That is always a mistake. That'll wake you up. Yeah.
Can you put nuts in there?
I put pecans in there too. I got...
Banana nut bread is what we're going to be eating.
I had an idea. So I ran with it.
It's a good idea. I think it's going to taste really good.
Not all of it will, but
So you're straining the pecan, peanut, no.
The bananas.
The banana pecan rum. And that's after a couple hours of soaking.
Yeah, it's after, I don't know, dude, we were gone for 5 hours or so. Pretty tasty, we're good.
Oh, you brought out the Jamaica. I'm excited for this cocktail. It seems like it's gonna be good.
We'll see what happens, 'cause I have no idea. I've never done this before. I've never
First
done
time.
this before. Not like this. I've done banana stuff. Banana cachaça is something I used to do where I used to work. Delicious. This taste.
Is it good?
It's boozy because there's no.
Yeah.
But the banana pecan is a good cocktail. That's, I can say with certainty. Now.
This looks like Gold Rush, like, you know,
Yeah.
sifting through the gold. So mineralized.
I know exactly what you use.
So you just put ice and that's it, and blend it, right?
Well, oh, no.
No? Oh.
This was to just make the rum taste better. Now, where's all that fruit?
Oh, the fruit is over here in the other fridge. It's in that big, I guess I'll get it. Fruit. So, I had made a fruit salad for breakfast earlier, and it's cherries, kiwi, oranges, grapes, all the things, along with blueberry pancakes that we're eating. So
Devoured. Just the.
this is fast. So I know how to cut a pineapple, but not this fast, and it's the same way. Just chopping that up.
Like I said, I've done this a lot.
It is a good idea to leave the pineapple edges and stuff, all the stuff that you throw away, to leave it outside.
In the desert.
Yeah, not now, not here, but when we but when we were in the forest.
Oh yeah, you can just throw that stuff and it'll decompose into its thing.
Yeah, that was so nice. So when we were in the forest, I planted a lot of herbs, and we threw all the, I don't know, just the peels of the watermelon and the cantaloupe and the pineapple. We threw all that outside for just the trees and the earth. So that was nice. So we got to do that in the forest, but we are in the desert now. So kind of gone through all the climates, kind of, now thinking about it. I love the forest a lot.
Cherries.
So cherries and pineapple. I'd pitted all of them earlier, so save some time. Okay, there was a few that I missed. I missed a few. There's so many. But for the most part, they're nice and pitted.
They're delicious.
You know, I like those black cherries a lot. And there's this one, which I never had these type of cherries that they're just like all red, but I've had these cherries that are yellow and they have a hint, little dots, little pink spot of red. Those are crazy good.
Everybody loves like the maraschino cherries.
Oh yeah, I don't like those.
Well, because they're just like soaked in sugar. But I've made my own before, and like one of the bars I used to work at, and I will say like making your own's pretty good.
Oh, we should make our own cherries. Do you have the vanilla extract
Sorry
on?
behind me on the counter.
Kiwi. Okay, I don't see it.
Somewhere around here. It was over there.
I don't know what you did with it.
It literally was like right here. Well,
I have a whole, I made a bunch of them, so
somewhere.
I just don't know where. Just don't know where.
Hey, if you grab those limey.
The limes. I left the door open.
No, I think it's falling down.
Here you go. Oh,
Don't unmove it. I moved them. Dude, where the vanilla go? It literally was right here.
I don't know. I also don't know where my other ones are.
Whatever.
They're in a bag. I just don't know where.
No
Do you think that you
that.
do you think that you put it in one of these? Because you like to put things away. No, I don't see it. Maybe in this one.
No.
Wonk, wonk, wonk.
Oh, show itself.
We lost the vanilla. I found it. It's right behind the rum.
Aha, see, I knew it was over here.
No, you pointed at the wrong spot. But I did have vanilla beans in here, but he accidentally.
Hey, I was
Dropped
just
it all
dropping them, just trying to
in your
do a couple
coffee.
droppers in there, and the thingy fell out, so...
But yeah, I've had this for probably a year now. I made these a long time ago, and so I have like 6 bottles of these. Now you're juicing the lime, so fancy.
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna be good. This is how long it takes to make a cocktail.
Oh, by hand at home.
7 hours in the making. That's kind of crazy.
Hey, all good things come to those
Who wait?
who are patient.
Oh, so you're gonna use 2 limes. He's really putting his muscles into it. You're really working it.
Hey, at least it's only a handful of limes and not like it used to be. Use like 100 of them at a time. But you got a sun gets user for that. The hardest part was cutting them. But it's more fun to do it by hand. Even with like the aid of like a juicer, like making stuff. And you're like, hey, I made this. Do one more.
So what would you call this drink that you're making?
I have no idea. I kind of got the idea from like pina colada, but then like I was like, I have a thing for like, you know, I love cinnamon. So I was like, well, I wanted to do that, but I love rum, and I was like, banana infused rum is always good. But then I was like, banana pecan sounds better. So I did that, and the rum smells great. And I was like, well, pecan and cinnamon is like one of my favorite things to put together with like maple, but I also like want pineapple in it. So I'm like, well, the pineapple should sweeten it up a bit. Might get a little more sugar, which is a little maple syrup in there. But like vanilla and like the cherries, and these cherries and cinnamon are really good together. So we're getting the cinnamon in there. We're gonna go.
I think it just sounds like Christmas.
Mhm.
Like I think it'll taste like Christmas.
Probably.
And so I'm thinking once we taste it, we'll know the name. But just the essence of it feels like this is a great drink for,
Holidays.
yeah, like New Year's Eve, like Christmas Eve. And then also on just a hot day too. This seems really refreshing, tropical. So it's a good vacation drink.
Hot day here in the desert.
It's a hot day in the desert, like always.
Alright. Okay. Um, let's see here. Ladle.
So you're gonna put all of it?
Oh no.
Oh no?
No, we're gonna put a whole,
That's a whole bottle, that's true.
yeah,
It's a whole bottle, so
like,
don't need it to.
kind of black out from like 2 sips. So, like, enjoy it.
I was wondering, I'm like, what are we? So then we'll be able to make more drinks out of this, like put the coconut cream that we have
Yeah, like
into that.
we have the rum to like play around with now.
Oh my gosh, so good. Because I had wanted one of those drinks, so that'll be good. The vanilla. Did you put this already?
Oh yeah, thanks for reminding me.
I kept saying
I
it.
got excited. I'm like, all right, I'm ready to blend this. Like, it's time.
We spent forever. Wow, that's it? Okay. Damn.
What?
No, that's good. You're the bartender. That's good. It's no.
You said you have 6 more.
Yeah, I do. Alright, what kind of glass? Ooh, it smells like cinnamon.
Like what?
What kind of glasses are we working with here? Oh yeah, that'll be fun. That'll be good.
All right.
I'm excited.
Well, hold on. Before we get too crazy with it, tell me what you think. Do you need to add anything to it?
Delicious, it's perfect. It does taste like Christmas. Exactly.
It needs just a touch. I'm not telling you. Like, whatever.
Of what?
Or the maple though. Like it just a touch, and it'll be.
Oh, the hazelnut milk?
No, maple.
Oh, maple syrup. Yeah, because that's what I was thinking. I was thinking we have the date syrup too, but
It needs maple.
maple. Yeah, maple will go best with the cinnamon and the vanilla. And yeah, that'll be good.
Just needs a little bit.
I was thinking of a sweetener, but the pineapple makes it so sweet.
That's what I mean.
So it's so good.
Yeah, that's why I just need just a little bit.
Okay.
Now come taste it. Like that. Like little like bite that it had.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, what just happened? It just made the cinnamon infuse even further. It just helped. Wow. That was insanely good. Oh my god. Kind of tastes like a candle. Like if you want to taste a Christmas candle.
No, for real. Like that's a very good like comparison. Is yes, it definitely kind of tastes like a Christmas candle.
Like spiced. Whoa.
Like spiced holiday cider or something like that. Like,
Cheers. To us.
to us. Vacation. Working vacay. Oh fuck, that's good.